So one thing that's happening with this global family is
Tisto, kar se
we're kind
zdaj
of
dogaja z
creating
našo družino po
a,
vsem
a
svetu, je
Stargate
to, da na nek
morphic
način
field
ustvarjamo
because we're all bringing
morfično
ourselves into that
polje
same concept,
zvezdnih vrat
that same
Stargate, ker
intention.
vsi vstopamo
And
v isti
as the morphic
koncept
field of the
z našo
Stargate
skupno
family, so to
namero.
speak, raises, it
In ko
brings
se to
all of us
polje
up. That's the
naše
beautiful thing, and
družine
that's what Slovenia is
povzdiguje,
about.
seboj
We noticed
potegne
it
vse
last
nas.
year, and
In
this
to
year it
je
feels like
bistvo
it's going to be so
Slovenije.
much stronger
To smo čutili že
because
lansko
there's
leto,
been such a
letos
groundswell
pa
of
bo še
people
močnejše.
from last year's
Ogromno ljudi
experience,
se vas je
and many people have
vključilo v
joined
lanskoletno
it over the
izkušnjo
last year. This
in
is what's
mnogo
beginning
ki
to
v
happen,
zadnjem letu
that
pridružili delu
connectedness,
z zvezdnimi
which is
vrati. In
really
to je ta
exciting.
nov občutek
Yeah.
povezanosti
There's
med
many
nami,
things
kar
been
nas
happening, but I think we're
navdušuje.
going to start by
Veliko
telling you
stvari
about
se je
next
dogajalo
year's
v zadnjem
Slovenia.
času, ampak
Okay,
mislim, da je zdaj
so
trenutek, da vam poveva več
we
o
have a
globalnem
title
svetovnem
and we have
srečanju
a
v Sloveniji.
focus for this
Dobili smo že
2020
naslov.
Global
Imamo
Stargate
fokus
Gathering
za
in
svetovni
Slovenia, and
dogodek Stargate
focus
v
this year is going
Sloveniji.
to be
Fokus v
bringing in
letošnjem
the
letu bo
blueprint for
namreč
abundance.
zasidrati
And the very
kodo
first
za
hint that
obilje.
Alcazar dropped
In
about
prvi
this
namig, ki nam ga je podal
focus in
Alcazar v
this
zvezi
theme
s to
is he
temo, s tem
said that
fokusom,
they would be
je
bringing in
naslednje.
energies
Rekel
to
je,
support
da
every
nam bodo poslali
individual
energijo,
gathered
s
in
katero bodo
accelerating
podprli
along their
vsakega
unique life's
posameznika,
path.
da se bo
And
lahko
for us, when we heard
sprožila
Alcazar
dodatna
say that,
podpora
we
in
had to kind
pospešek
of
za vašo
take a step
edinstveno
back.
osebno pot življenja.
And
In ko sva
that's
tudi
because
midva
he
prvič to
usually
slišala od Alcazarja,
doesn't
sva bila zelo
tell people
presenečena,
when they
kajti
ask this
Alcazar
question,
običajno ne
what's my
daje
purpose in
pomoči
life?
ljudem, ki
Yeah.
sprašujejo,
And
kaj
so
je
he
moj
makes a
namen
very
mojega življenja.
clear distinction
Tako
between
je.
life's purpose
In Alcazar
and life's
podaja
path.
jasno razliko med
And he's saying
namenom
life's
življenja
purpose,
in
people
potjo življenja.
in the new
Z namenom
age are
življenja
searching for
ljudje v
their
New
life's
Ageu vse čas
purpose
iščejo,
and
le
what is
kaj
it,
je
and they
moj
feel bad
namen
because they don't
in
have
slabo
one
se
or
počutijo,
haven't
ker
discovered
niso
it yet.
odkrili svojega
Alcazar
namena
says, drop
življenja.
all that.
Alcazar pa pravi,
This is about your
opustite vse
life's
to.
path.
Gre za vašo
And what's that?
življenjsko
It's your
pot.
step
In
by
kaj je to?
step
Korak za
experiencing.
korakom
Every decision
doživljate
you make
življenje.
is another
Z
step
vsako
on your life's
odločitvijo,
path.
ki jo naredite
So
nov korak
when-
na poti skozi
I mean,
življenje.
you might have a
Tako
life's
je.
purpose.
Morda imate
We might
neko
have a life's
namero v
purpose.
vašem
But
življenju,
when
tudi
you
midva jo morda
define
imava,
it and you say,
ampak
my
ko jo
purpose is this, you're
definirate
really
in
coming
rečete,
from
moj namen je to
this
in to,
linear function of the mind and
delujete
you're
z
creating an
izhodišča
identity around it.
linearnega
And
razmišljanja
that's what can
uma
kind of
in
stumble
iz
you,
tega
because
naredite
if
celo
maybe
identiteto.
you end up
Ampak
changing
morda ste pa
your
zdaj
definition
na
of your
neki
life's
točki
purpose, there's a part of you that's
spremenili
going to feel like
definicijo vaše
failure, but
namere življenja
if
in
you
se
can take a
počutite, da
step
vam ni
back
uspelo morda.
and say, okay,
Če
I
pa
have all
naredite
the
korak
hints
nazaj
I
in
need to
rečete,
know
dobro, imam
to
vse
follow my
namige,
life's
ki jih
path. And
potrebujem,
that's
ki jih
what
moram
did you feel
vedeti, da
drawn
lahko
to
sledim
when you were a
svoji
child? For
poti.
me, I
Denimo,
really
veliko
wanted,
krat se
I
vprašamo,
knew
kaj me je
actually that I could
pritegnilo, ko
surround
sem
my
bila še
energy
mala deklica. Jaz
around
sama
living
se
things and
spomnim,
bring
da sem
them back
želela
into
vedno s
balance.
svojo energijo
And so following my life's path
pripomoči k
was
temu, da
the
stvari
Stargate
pridejo v
coming along and
ravnovesje.
me saying,
In tako
like,
se mi je na moji življenjski
whoa,
poti
this
pojavil
is
Stargate.
amazing.
In
And
rekla sem,
following
wow, to je
that. And
čudovito.
then the
In
essence of
sledila
life
sem temu
emerging.
klicu.
And
Potem
so
je k meni
this
prišla
is
esenca
how
življenja.
the
In
life's
tako
path
se po
naturally
naravni
emerges
poti
as we
poraja
follow
naša
that
pot skozi življenje,
curiosity,
ko sledimo
as we
svoji
develop
radovednosti,
ourselves.
ko razvijamo
So
sebe.
Alcazar said in the
In tako je
Slovenia
Alcazar
gathering,
najavil, da
we're
bomo
going to
na
be
dogodku v
supporting,
Sloveniji
accelerating
podprli
each person on
ta
their unique
pospešek
life's path.
potovanja
The
vsakega
brides,
udeleženca
Alcazar, the
na
Galactic
njeni
Command,
njegovi
there's going to
življenjski
be
poti.
energies coming
Alcazar
in to support
z
us
vsemi
individually
drugimi v
on our
ekipi
unique
in z
path.
galaktično
So,
komando bodo podprli
yay!
vsakogar
Yeah.
od nas na naši
So the
življenjski
blueprint
poti
for
in to bo
abundance,
pospešek. Odlično.
accelerating on your unique
Tako je,
life's
s
path.
tem se bo zgodil velik
And
pospešek
Alcazar
za
said
vašo
that
edinstveno življenjsko pot.
freedom
Alcazar pa pravi,
is
da
a
je
vital
svoboda
part of
bistveni
being on
del
your life's
vaše
path.
osebne
Freedom
poti,
to choose,
ko ste
oh, now I'm
svobodni,
going to
da
do
se
this, now I'm
odločate,
going to do
zdaj bom
that.
naredil to,
And so
zdaj
the
ono. In
abundance
obilje
is
je zato
necessary
nujno
in order
potrebno,
to help you being
da
free.
vam
So
pomaga
when
biti
Alcazar
popolnoma
talks about
svoboden.
abundance,
Ko
as most
Alcazar
of you
govori o
know, he's
obilju,
not
kot
talking about
večinoma
just
že
money.
veste, ne
He's
govori le o
talking about
denarju, ampak
abundance
o
on all
obilju na
levels,
čisto
and he
vseh
stresses
ravneh.
this again and
To
again.
poudarja spet in
And so
spet.
this is an
Tu
abundance
gre
of
za obilje
friendship, abundance
prijateljstev,
of love,
ljubezni,
abundance
obilje
of celebration.
proslavljanja
Yes, abundance of
življenja.
money,
Res
abundance
gre
of
tudi
free
za obilje
time,
denarja,
all these
obilje
different
prostega
elements.
časa. Vse to so elementi semplicemente
and
obilja.
this is
In
this
ta
level of
raven
abundance
obilja
is
je
first and
v prvi
foremost
meri
about a
povezana
recognition
s
of what is
spoznanjem,
important to
kaj
you.
je pomembno za
So,
vas.
like, if we're chasing
Denimo,
money
če stremimo zgolj
or something
za
like that, or we want
denarjem,
like a new
ali
car,
pa
and you're
če
like,
si
ooh, if I can
želimo
create a new car,
ustvariti nov
like, and
avto,
I'm
če
really
mi
like
uspe, potem
consciously creating it, and
zavestno
it's like, yeah,
ustvarjam.
sure,
In
like, I
res
would love
je,
to
to
create a
drži, tudi sama
Tesla,
bi si rada
so I
ustvarila
can drive around Mount
nov
Shasta and charge
avto
it near the
Tesla, da bi
movie
se
theater
lahko
here.
odpeljala v kino iz doma tu
But
na
if you
Šasti.
actually take a step
Ampak,
back
če pa
and look
resnično
at
naredite korak
abundance
nazaj in
as a
pogledate na obilje kot
long-term
nekaj
game,
dolgoročnega,
then you can
potem
see
lahko
that
vidite,
abundance
da
means being
obilje
able to create the
pomeni,
life
da
that
si
you
lahko
want to
ustvarjate
live.
življenje, ki ga
So
želite
it's really
zaživeti.
like a deeper
Gre za
meaning
dosti
of
globji
abundance.
pomen obilja. Absolutno,
Absolutely,
to
yeah.
drži.
Whew.
In
So,
tako.
So we're back in
Kot rečeno,
Slovenia
se
and we're back in the
vračamo
same
v
hotel, but
Slovenijo,
this
v
time
isti
we're
hotel,
going to be in a
vendar pa
really,
bomo
really
tokrat
beautiful
v res
group
čudoviti
room
dvorani.
with theatre type
Sedeli
seating,
boste tako kot v
very
gledališču,
soft,
na zelo
comfortable
mehkih,
chairs,
udobnih
a much larger
stolih,
room.
prostor bo dosti
The
večji,
three-star hotel has
obenem
been
pa
renovated, and
prenavljajo
so
v tem
that's
hipu
brand
tudi
new. So
hotel s
it's
3
really
zvezdicami v
exciting
neposrednji
to
bližini.
see
In komaj že
everyone down
čakamo,
there.
da se vrnemo v
And one of the
Portorož.
things that we're going to be doing
In v
fairly
kratkem,
soon
na
in the
naslednjem
next webinar,
webinarju,
which is
ki
actually
bo
going to be on November the
24.
24th,
novembra,
we're going to
bomo že
start
začeli
doing
z
something
nečem,
which some of you
kar ste
have
nekateri od
tasted
vas
before,
doslej že
and that's
izkusili. To pa je, da bomo
projecting a big
projicirali
bubble of
ogromen balon
energy
energije v
into
vašo
your future.
prihodnost.
okay,
No,
so
zdaj pa
we should
res
explain
morava to
this
razložiti,
because
kaj
it's
ti gre za
really
nekaj
amazing, and we didn't
izjemnega, novega.
truly
Nisva
understand how
razumela,
profound
kako
this
zelo
was
pomenljivo je to,
until
dokler
we were
se
sitting around
nisva
the
znašla ob
campfire
ognju
at the Resonance
na
Science Foundation
nekem
retreat
centru
in the
v Redwood Forestu
Forests with
z Nasimom
Haramein. And he's
Haramejnom, ki je
a
izjemen
amazing
fizik,
physicist.
strokovnjak, ki vodi ta
He's
center,
a hardcore
je v
scientist, but
svojem
he's also
jedru
been
pravi
meditating since he
znanstvenik,
was
ampak obenem meditira že od
12
svojega
years old.
12.
And so
leta
he's
starosti.
like a
In res
galactic,
je
mystic
galaktični,
physicist
mističen
whose
fizik,
work has
ki dela
profound
izjemne
implications.
stvari.
So he would
Torej, kot
sit
rečeno,
around
smo
the
kampirali
campfire
ob
with
ognju,
people
zvečer
in the
smo se
evening until
usedli
2 or 3
v
in the morning
prijetni
sometimes. On the
družbi
last day he was
in
there
zadnji večer
all through
nekega
the night.
programa, ki sva se ga tam udeležila,
So
smo
people got an
klepetali celo
opportunity to
noč
ask
in
him
ljudje so mu
questions.
postavljali
And I
različna
asked
vprašanja.
him
Moje pa je bilo
this
naslednje.
question. So
Povedala
Alcazar
sem, da
in our
Alcazar
2-day
v najnih
workshops
dvodnevnih
has started
delavnicah
to build
v
a
zadnjem
really
času
strong energy
začenja
field,
graditi
a
veliko
field of
energijsko
oneness
polje
all the
enosti,
participants
ki
are
ga lahko
feeling.
začutijo vsi
And then he has
udeleženci, potem pa
everyone
prosi, naj vsi
project that
projeciramo
energy
energijo
into
v
day 2
drugi
of the
dan
workshop.
naše delavnice. Potem pa pravi
Then he
Alcazar,
says,
dobro,
okay,
zdaj pa
now wait a
počakajte nekaj
moment,
trenutkov, kajti čez
because in
nekaj
a few
hipov
moments you're
boste
going to
lahko
feel the
začutili
energy that
energijo, ki
you're
jo zdaj
sending
pošiljate v vaši
from your
jutri,
tomorrow
kako se vam
coming back
vrača
to
v
you
ta
in the
trenutek
now.
zdaj.
And
In
comes
tako
in
pride ta val in
and it's
izjemno
like
je,
amazing
kajti
because
ta
it's
val
even
je še
stronger than the
močnejši
energy
kot
we
tisti,
just
ki smo
felt
ga
and
prej
projected.
začutili in ga projicirali
And
v
so I
prihodnost.
asked
In
Nassim
tako
if he
sem
has
znanstvenega Nasima
anything to
vprašala,
say
če ima
about
kaj
that.
izkušenj v zvezi s tem.
And what he said
Najprej je
was, first
rekel,
of all, he said, make sure it
prepričaj
feels
se,
good
ko
when you're
projiciraš
projecting energy. And I
energijo,
was
da
like,
se
oh,
počutiš
it
dobro.
feels
In rekla sem,
amazing.
zagotovo smo se
And
počutili izjemno.
and then
Potem
he
pa je
said,
nadaljeval in rekel, to je
very
odlično.
good.
To, kar delate,
What you're
je, da
doing is
ustvarjate
creating
ta
a
balonček v
bubble in
času in
space-time.
prostoru.
And he said,
In rekel
that's
je, na
how
tak način
I got
sem
to
tudi
where I
sam
am
prišel
now.
do točke, v kateri sem
And
zdaj.
he
No,
has
pa naj
a
omenim, da ima
huge
ta
center
znanstvenik
with
Nassim
several different
Haramein izjemen
businesses on
center
the
in
leading
sodeluje z
edge
različnimi
yeah.
poslovnimi
of scientific
entitetami.
research.
Ima
Yeah, so he has
financiranje
funding
za
for
svoje
both his
raziskave na
physics
področju
research, and
fizike
he
v
also
svojem
has
centru, ima tudi
amazing
ark
arc crystals where he's actually
kristale,
sharing
pokazal
technology
nam
that's
je, kako
able
so
to, these
ti
crystals are
kristali
connected
povezani
to
s
the quantum
kvantnim
field in a
poljem
way
in
that they're able
dejansko
to
so
actually
sposobni
beam
žarčiti
30
30 fotonov na
photons
sekundo
per
iz
second out of
kvantnega
the quantum
vakuuma.
vacuum. So he's got
Kot
this
rečeno, ima Nassim to
amazing
izjemno
foundation,
fundacijo,
and you can check it
Resident
out. It's the
Science
Resonance Science
Foundation se
Foundation. But what he
imenuje,
said
lahko jo
was so
preverite na
profound because he
spletu.
said, when I was,
Presenetilo me je, da je
he's
povedal,
self-taught.
da se je vsega naučil
And he said,
sam.
when I was
Povedal
living in
je, da
my
je 4 leta
van
živel
for 4
v
years,
svojem
that's what I
vozilu
was doing.
v
he
svojem
was
kombiju in
creating an
projiciral
intention
svojo
and
namero
projecting it
skozi čas in
through
prostor
space
te
time.
svoje
And he
želje.
said,
In
when you
rekel
do
je,
that,
da ko
you
te
create
želje
a
projiciraš
path
skozi čas in
through
prostor,
time and
si
space. So
ustvarjaš
you're,
svojo pot.
in my mind, I
In
hear
kot sama to slišim,
you're
je, da
aligning
poravnavaš svojo pot s
synchronicity. You're
sinhronostmi,
literally creating
magnetiziraš
magnetism
svojo
through
pot
space and
že
time. And he said
vnaprej v
you can
času
either
in
take a
prostoru.
more straight
Rekel je
path,
tudi, da se
or
človek
you can
lahko
take a more
napoti po ravni,
curvy path.
premočrtni poti ali pa gre po
But for me,
ovinkih.
I was like,
In
oh my
sama sem
gosh,
pomislila,
like
wow, to je
that's
tisto, za
what
kar
we have
imamo
the
sedaj
potential to do
potencial,
with
da
this
to lahko tudi mi delamo
technique
s
that
tehniko,
Alcazar
ki jo je
started
zdaj
to
začel
develop.
razvijati Alcazar.
So, in the
24.
webinar on
novembra
November
bomo
the
torej na
24th,
webinarju
we're actually
ustvarili
going to
energijsko
create
polje
an energy
in
field,
uporabili
and we're
bomo
going to
to
use that
energijo,
energy
da se boste
to
lahko
see
zagledali
yourself
tam v
there in
Sloveniji
Slovenia
na
and
tem
to
velikem
create
dogodku in
this
ustvarili boste
magnetism
magnetizem,
to
ki vas
draw
bo
you
do
there
tja
if you
potegnil, če
feel
boste
like you
začutili
wish to
željo, da se
participate.
nam pridružite.
So for those
Za tiste, ki
people
morda čutite,
who feel
joj,
like,
ne bom
oh, I
dobil
can't get the
prostega
time off,
časa,
or, oh,
morda
I
nimam
don't have
dovolj
the money, or
denarja ali
any of the other
katerikoli drug
reasons
razlog,
why
ki
it's
vam
difficult to be there,
otežuje to
we're
željo,
going to create this
ustvarili boste
flow
ta
of
tok
energy
energije,
to
ki
almost
vas bo
magnetize you
kot magnet
into that
napolnil z
space
energijo,
if you wish
da
to
se
be
vam
there.
to uresniči.
Because we
Midva si
want you to
seveda
be
želiva,
there.
da
Because
se nama
we want to
pridružite.
create a
Ustvariti
super
želimo močen
huge
val
wave
obilja
of
na vseh
abundance
ravneh
on all levels
v
moving out
celotni
throughout the Stargate
skupnosti
community.
Stargate.
And
In
on that free
24.
webinar that we're going to do on November
novembra
24th,
bomo
we
na tem
might
brezplačnem
just
webinarju
feel
morda
the
začutili ta
wave
velik
coming
val, ki
back
se
to
bo povrnil
us.
k nam.
So like
In kot
Alcazar
pravi
says,
Alcazar, velik
gathering
dogodek
in Slovenia
v
in our
Sloveniji v
future
prihodnosti bo
might
morda
just send the
poslal
energy
to
back to
energijo
us
nazaj k nam
on that
skozi čas
particular
in prostor.
moment
In to
in
bo res kul,
space-time. That
če
would be
bomo to
pretty cool.
začutili.
So
Dobro,
we're
torej,
going to be
res se bomo
really
osredotočili
focusing in
vase
and honing
in se
in
poravnali
on our
zelo
understanding
jasno
of how we create our
s tem,
reality.
kakšno realnost želimo
Because this is
ustvariti.
where Alcazar is wanting to
Alcazar nas
take
tja
us all
pelje zdaj, vse
individually and
skupaj, individualno
collectively.
in kolektivno.
So
Od tega
between now
trenutka zdaj
and
do 30. aprila,
April
ki je
30th,
prvi
which is the
dan
first day
dogodka v
which,
Portorožu,
of the experience in
trajal bo
Slovenia,
do
and that goes to
3.
May the 3rd.
maja, do tega
So between
časa
now and
zdaj,
then,
do
we're going to be
takrat,
doing
aprila
all
v
kinds of
Sloveniji,
things on
bomo
Facebook,
imeli
we're going to
veliko
be doing
različnih
webinars,
dogodkov,
we're going to be doing
webinarje,
online
programe na
program.
spletu, vse
Everything
skupaj
is
pa je že
directed
usmerjeno v
towards
to, da se krepi
building up that
energija za velik
energetic.
dogodek v
And
Sloveniji.
it's really exciting
Navdušena
because
sva, da
so
se
many
vas je
people
toliko
already
že
signed
prijavilo
up
na ta
Yeah.
to
slovenski
be there.
dogodek. 24. november,
November
kot
24th is
rečeno,
this
bo
free
torej
webinar
brezplačni
that we're gonna be
webinar, na
creating
katerem bomo
to
z energijo
energize
napolnili
each one of
vsakogar od
us,
nas.
to create
Ustvarili
this
bomo ta
bubble.
prej omenjeni balonček in
And we're going to
projicirali
project
bomo
it
v
to the global
dogodek,
Stargate gathering in
v to globalno
Slovenia.
svetovno
This is
srečanje
also
v
a
Portorožu že v
technique
drugo leto.
that you can,
In kot
like
je
Nassim Haramein
Nasim
said, you
Heramin
can literally
povedal,
use
lahko
this
s to
method
metodo
of creating a very
ustvarimo
strong,
zelo koherentni
coherent,
energijski
energetic,
tok
and
in
you
ko
can
ga
use
projiciramo
that
skozi
energy,
čas in
projecting it
prostor
into
v
your
vaš jasno
clear
oblikovan
goal
cilj,
for where you
ki je
want to
želite
be
biti skozi čas in
through space
prostor
and
v
time in
prihodnosti.
the future.
And
In
that too
tako
will be very much part of what's going to
boste
happen
že
in
s tem
Slovenia in a very big
pomemben
way.
del
Using
energijskega
that
dogajanja v
huge
Sloveniji,
energy
ko se
field
nas bo
where there's
zbralo
1,000
tisoč
people
ljudi.
all together.
Vsi bomo
We're all gonna come
povezani
together.
in skupaj
We're all
bomo
gonna
lahko
amplify
ustvarili to
and
ogromno
create this
energijo
huge
na tem
energy.
dogodku.
And
In res ne gre
yeah,
več
it's not just
le
about
za
any one
en
particular goal in the
majhen
future. It's
cilj
about
prihodnosti. Gre za to,
how
kako
we
si predstavljamo
are imagining
naša
our
življenja,
lives can be.
kakšna so lahko.
And
Zato si vzemite
so
trenutek
take a
in
moment
pomislite na
and think
to,
about that.
razmislite o tem. Kakšne izkušnje si
What
želite
experiences do you want to
živeti,
live?
kakšna prijateljstva želite
What
imeti,
friendships do you want to have?
kakšen življenjski
What
stil
kind of
bi
a
vas
lifestyle would
hranil
nourish you?
in kakšen
And
vpliv
what kind of an
želite imeti
impact
na
do you want to
življenja
have on other
drugih
people's
ljudi.
lives?
In na to se vprašajte,
And
ali
can
si
you
lahko
allow
dovolite,
yourself
da
to have
vse
those
to
things?
tudi dobite. Rada vas
Okay. We
imava,
love you.
poskrbite zase,
Take
do
care.
naslednjič,
See you
nasvidenje.
next time.